Check, check. Hey guys, welcome back to another exciting episode. We're going to be installing the foot pegs and kickstand. So, what we have to do here is widen it out to 14 on center. We've got
7/8.
We decided 14 3/4.
Yep.
And we're at 12 and a half. So that's, so we gotta be 2 1/4 wider than this. So we gotta be a, come on, give me a turn here. Jesus, the kid wore out my god sanding belt.
Really?
This might be overkill. You probably don't even need to clamp it here, but
we'll eyeball putting taillights in, but I'm gonna clamp the bottom of it for some foot pegs.
yeah.
Not too bad.
No. You could probably just do a skosh more wire, maybe. That's pretty good. There. A couple of tacks, a little eyeball. She's got a little twist in her. It doesn't get any better than that. That's as good as she gets. This wire is kind of dirty or something.
Well, I was looking, this guy right here looks like it's not on there like it should be.
That shouldn't matter though, that's just a wiper.
Oh, okay. The wire itself is there.
Yeah, or the liner's getting clogged. You hear how it kind of breaks off for a second there? Inside of the cord.
Okay. So then you have to replace it?
No, usually every time you change a roll of wire, you take and like spray carb cleaner through it and blow it out with a blowgun just from grime on the wire. It lead, you know, like the wire's getting pushed all the way through here, you know.
Grimy, not like wore out.
Okay. Should be close. If not, I always thought it should have. All right, so next step I guess would be to ream those holes on the foot pegs and then cut some little pieces. Get our foot pegs rebuilt. We'll get a step bit. It's not your real bit, it's your step bit. paint. Ooh. Look at that one.
Paint will do that.
Looks way better. Way good. More gooder.
More good. Yeah. I use that word a lot now. Perfect.
Yeah, too good a penetration on there.
Yeah, whoever was holding the foot tape.
I don't know, I could have just cut them off, but I don't know. You might need them for something else, you know?
Yeah.
Now what do we do? Gah! Build an old mini bike, they said. I must have this just bent too far over, huh? There we go. I had the frickin' thing on the wrong side, you know? Like... I just wonder what the hell? Is that like... That's exactly how I have the other side, so I don't know why it's being such a on this side. What? I think we're ready to set that on there.
What's that?
I think we're ready to set it on there.
Yeah. My way or yours?
Straight away.
Oh.
Suppose I should tack them when you get that up there.
Yeah.
Oh boy, oh jeez. Keep it in the head.
Yeah.
You want them at about that angle?
That's what feels good on the boot.
So you're gonna be up a little bit too on the seat, but about like that.
Yeah.
Uno más taki, please.
Oh,
Whoop.
she pulled there. I felt it go up.
Oh by golly, that looks like it might work, huh? Oh shit. Yeah, it ain't square anymore. Oh, whoop. Oh, don't touch it.
I felt it move when I. There. See it moving around?
Yeah, you'll have that.
What's that?
You'll have that. I'll just put a couple of tacks on her.
No gas.
There's gas on. I know better than that. I know when my welder ain't shooting gas out. Gangsta lean. Oh yeah. Looks good, huh?
Yeah. Looks like it's got enough lean to it.
Oh yeah.
And purple.
Let's see, you got tape on you? So, is it a 6-inch or a 7-inch driven clutch?
That's a good question, huh?
Yeah. Well, with that, I bid you farewell, viewers at home. We'll see you next time. Or there'll be more, and this won't even be in there.
Yeah. We'll see.
All right.
We'll see what our real cameraman and editor comes up with here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you guys for tuning in. Hopefully my camera skills are up to par.
Yeah.
Let us know in the comments.
All right.
Catch you later.
Toodles.